So now I'm going to show you how to change colour in crochet. So to start, I've just been working double crochets in rows. So I'll just do a few more. I'll just work onto the last stitch. So you just want to go into the last stitch like normal, wrap the yarn around the hook, and then you're in the middle of your stitch, so you've still got the 2 loops on, and this is when you want to change colour. So then just get your new colour, and that is what you loop through. And then I always prefer to tie it just to make sure it's secure. And then you can see that your row has been completely mustard, and then you're ready to start your new row in the new colour. So then you can chain up with your new colour and then turn and then just continue within the new colour. So you can see it's mustard here, and then it goes straight up into the teal. So that's how you change colour in a double crochet. So now I'm just going to show you how to change colour when you're working the treble crochet. So obviously with your treble crochet there's an extra step as you're wrapping the yarn around first. So to make the colour change a clear break at the start of your new round, you would insert your hook like normal, pull through, and you've got your 3 loops on the hook. Then you want to pull through the first 2 and then change colour. So then you would grab your new colour and pull through the final stage in with the new colour. And just tie off. And there again you can see you've got a clear line of the old colour. And then now you can start in the new colour. And it will be a perfect stripe. And there you go.